Water marbling natural vegetable tanned leather with alcohol solvent dyes is a technique that uses carrageenan seaweed or moss to thicken water so the dye becomes suspended long enough for the unique color design to be transferred to the leather. Make up the solution the day before using warm tap water in a blender and allow the solution to rest and thicken at room temperature. This technique is usually used to decorate paper using acrylic paint, so carrageenan moss can usually be found in art supply stores. The instructions on the bag are very straightforward, but I used 1/4 of the recommended water to make the solution thicker to work better with the water solvent dyes. The drying area that holds the carrageenan solution is called a size. You want the size to be large enough to fit the piece of leather, so any flat pan or dish that is at least a few millimeters deep can be used to hold your carrageenan size for your design. You can only get one print per carrageenan size, but you can use 2 or 3 smaller pieces of leather instead of one larger piece. Also, you have to work quickly because the solvent dyes will only stay suspended for a few minutes. Small plastic pipettes are great to spread the dye, but a small brush works too. You can gently shake or move the pan around to help spread the dye, or you can drag a tool through to create a design. Use only dry leather. The thickness doesn't really make too much of a difference, and gently place the leather on top for about 10 seconds. Make sure the entire surface or the area you want to color is in contact with the size, and let the leather dry without rubbing the surface.